Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a grocery haul from Trader Joe's, and I'm super excited because Trader Joe's is not around the corner, so I don't get to get there as often as I want, but I picked up some pretty cool things as I always do when I go to Trader Joe's. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. So the first thing that I got that I'm really excited about is this paratha bread. I love Indian food and I've never seen this before. So this is the bread and it's frozen. It was in the frozen section. So I've got to figure out how to make it. So stay to the end because I'm starving and I'm probably going to eat this real soon. So I may include a clip of how this turns out. But I love it. I also got some butter chicken, which is also Indian cuisine with the basmati rice. I've had this before and I really do like it for if you need a quick meal, you know, just kind of throw it in the microwave and you have a meal in about, 10 minutes or whatever. No, actually it says 5 minutes, but whatever. It's good. I like it a lot. It reminds me of chicken korma. So I'm gonna be trying that out as well. So I'll share that. I also got some chicken tikka samosas, which I also love. Again, this is Indian cuisine. I love these things. And this is sort of like a pastry. And it's got chicken and all of the seasonings and everything spiced from, Indian spices or whatever. So they're really, really good too. I love them. I buy those all the time. So those are kind of like staples, these two that I get from Trader Joe's. I also always pick up their raw Argentine shrimp. I just really like them. They're nice, good size shrimp. They're already cleaned and deveined. So I pick those up all the time as well. This one I haven't tried. This is the chicken tikka masala. It's the same concept as the butter chicken, one of the dinners that you just kind of heat up in the refrigerator. So I'm giving that one a test. I picked up some chicken wing sections. I like the wing flings. Really, I only like the flats, but I do buy these bags because they're convenient. I also picked up some sirloin tips. I'm going to make some pepper steak at some point. Haven't made that in a while. And then I picked up some jasmine rice. I love this. This is something you put in a microwave for like 3 minutes on those lazy days when when I don't feel like making rice. But it's really good. So I buy that a lot as well. I picked up some corn on the cob only because it just looked good and I love corn. So I picked that up. I got a Cornish hen. And then this is something I've been seeing a lot of people talk about. I'm not even going to try to say the name, but it's some type of a spaghetti in a creamy sauce. So I picked this up to give it a try because I've been seeing a lot of people talk about that. It's really, really good. So I thought I'd give it a try. It is also in the frozen section. So yeah, I'll give it a try and see how it is. And then I picked up some green beans because for Christmas I am going to be preparing some green beans. Alright, so some other items that I picked up is some orange juice. This is just some Trader Joe's brand with no pulp, the concentrate. I love it, so I picked that up. I picked up some cheese tortellini. I prefer fresh pasta or, not the box pasta. So I buy this type to eat all the time, and then I buy the box pasta to put in my prepper pantry, for emergency type of situations. So that's kind of how I do that. I bought some more coconut milk. I use coconut milk in rice a lot when I'm making some dishes and things like that. So I picked that up. I got an onion. I got an avocado. I picked up sweet potatoes too. Now I like to get my sweet potatoes from Trader Joe's and Aldi and Lidl because they're really small and I love baked potatoes. So they're really quick to make in the oven. I freeze them after I bake them and then I just pull them out the freezer and eat them when I want them. I picked up some mango chutney, and this is a mango ginger chutney. I love this on the bread, any type of bread really, but you know, it comes with like Indian. If you get Indian food, a lot of times you get mango chutney. So I usually keep some at home because they never give you enough. So if I go to an Indian restaurant, I have my chutney at home. And then I picked up some salsa. I picked up my candied pecans. I love these. These are good on salads. They're good in oatmeal. And they're good just as a snack, just to kind of grab them. They're not the most healthy, you know, they say that they're candied, so they're not the most healthy, but they are really, really good. So I do treat myself to a bag of those whenever I go to Trader Joe's. Speaking of unhealthy, Trader Joe's always has these different type of potato chips. So today they had these white truffle potato chips. So I picked them up. Not a good decision, I know, I already know. But yeah, they were just so intriguing with Italian white truffles and sea salt. So I'm gonna give these a try and see how I like them. Hopefully I won't like them, so I won't buy them again. I picked up some cheese. I like to have cheese and crackers around the house, and especially around the Christmas season. I just love different types of cheeses. And this one is creamy Toscano cheese, and it's soaked in Syrah. And I like these. I prefer the Merlot cheese, but they rarely have it, so I get the one soaked in the Syrah. And it's good. It's very, very good. If you like cheese, there's different types of cheeses. Trader Joe's is a great place to get them because their prices are so much better than the local grocery stores. Now, I picked up a lot of fruit because I need to eat more fruit instead of these snacks. So I got some bananas. I got some blood oranges. I love these, and you can't get these all the time, but they're really, really good. They are so sweet typically, and they're really, really red on the inside. Now, in addition to the blood oranges, I picked up some tangerines. I love tangerines at Christmas time. If I don't have tangerines any other time of the year, at Christmas time, I have to have tangerines because that's the way I grew up. We always had fruit in the house at the holidays, fruit and nuts. Those were two things we always had in the house. So I got these, and we always had them like in a bowl. So I've got a bowl out, ready to fill it up for Christmas, because that's one of our traditions that I always had growing up. Apples was another thing that was always in that bowl. So I did pick up some, these are Jazz apples. I like to get the apples in the bag too from Trader Joe's or Aldi's because they're always small. Sometimes you go to the store, the apples are just too big. So I like the size of these little apples here. And then getting down to the wire here, I picked up these Italian style meatballs. I've never tried these before, but what attracted me to it is it said they're flame broiled. So I thought that was interesting. So I'm gonna give those a try. And then lastly, I got some Idaho potatoes. And you know, just gotta have potatoes in the house. So that is my Christmas grocery haul. For Christmas dinner, I'm not gonna be preparing a lot, but I do wanna have something in the house. So I'll probably do the Cornish hens, green beans with the potatoes, and I'll figure out something else to go with it. But that's about it. What are you having for Christmas dinner? Drop down in the comments below and let me know. And if you're not currently subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave today, as well as the post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a video. And if you're a returning guest again, I'm so glad you stopped back by. And I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye-bye and Merry Christmas. So first of all, this is a very quick meal, which I am all about these days. So the samosas go in the oven for about 10 or 15 minutes. And while they are being prepared, I have my buttered chicken here with the rice that I'm putting in the microwave. It takes about 8-9 minutes to prepare that. And then the last step will be for my paratha bread, which I'll do on top of the stove with a little bit of olive oil. And then you just kind of put the bread on and turn it sort of like a pancake or whatever. And it takes a couple minutes to do that. And that is all you have to do. So it's a very quick process. I love it. And it tastes so good. It's very, very good. I really thoroughly enjoyed my lunch today. I'm just scooping it out here, getting it ready. And I really like this because sometimes you get those frozen meals and the meat or whatever is in there is kind of like unidentifiable. This is not like that. It is clearly chicken. And it's good. It really does taste good. I love spicy food, so if you're really into the different spices and things like this is something that you will enjoy. Very inexpensive, relatively speaking. And I just topped my bread with the mango chutney, the ginger mango chutney. And that was my first time trying the ginger mango chutney. I normally buy the regular mango chutney, so that was my first time trying it. Definitely will repurchase. It was delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Check out this meal if you're interested in trying something different. Talk to you soon. Bye.